Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with you guys. The more we watch the show, the more we get so much interested and just from what's next. What's next? I get it okay. Bamba umusanga mawashini nizothi angintshilanga. I'm sure that's why imacele ejabulile. Guys, uSamgekhwela is still gonna bring so much drama nje kwamseleko. Kuncane lokho. So she was recently introduced to Macele and ningabukile picture ngicabanga ukuthi bayathandana and so on and so forth. So uMacele was telling uSamge ukuthi, I'm not your friend and I'm also not your mother-in-law. Please don't treat me like one. And uSamge was like, okay. Mind you, ukuze uMacele asho kanjalo, uMusa was like, I don't like the way uMakhwela agcoka ngakhona. uMakhwela umzimba wakhe uhlale revealing. And I was like, this is a child, Musa. You can't expect the child ukuthi ahlale azivalile. Umthole ezivulile vele. Egcoka igcebhe, efaka ama-bra in public and so on and so forth. And he also stated that he doesn't like the way uSamge akhuluma ngakhona, akakwazi ukukhuluma, kumele bamfundise ukukhuluma. Macele was like, hey, I'm not her mother-in-law. Uzazifundela yena ukukhuluma, nami ngathola kungana mother-in-law la. And mina guys, yazi ngama-suspicions wami. If this is not scripted, this is actually mhlambe ugirl ufuna ifame. Ngicabanga ukuthi kwa Kim Kardashian, mhlambe ugirl ubezifunela ikhehla elinemali. Kanti hayi coincident ke ikhehla lakhona lakhe lafunda nomama bakhe ikhehla lakhona ubaba kamngani wakhe. Like, this is so confusing, and the more we watch the show, the more we get so much confused. Because I mean, how can you date umuntu obekafunda nobabakho nomamakho? And how can you date ubaba kamngani wakho? Like, then understand that, guys. It's either this thing is scripted or angazi. But esadini labazali bakaSamge, I think they are not happy. Imagine going to school with someone, then the next thing they marry your daughter. Like, amahloni akuphi? Worse, ungena esithembini. Like, sesemncane lo mntana lo. Usesemncane, 25. Usesemncane, guys. And uMusa can't expect ukuthi umntana atshintshe in a minute. Just because he thinks mele ahlale ezivalile, mele uzofunda along the way because ushadile. But okwamanje akave amika shem samkhulumela siyi-country. So guys, what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.